Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome and good looking Lazy Susan. I'm gonna show you this in action. I wanted to add a Lazy Susan to my table, mainly for napkins and my salt and pepper, but this has been great to use for so many different things. You can see here that I put some food on it, but it doesn't just stop at food. I think this would be great to use seasonally. Right now it's spring, so I added some flowers to this. In fall, it would be great to add pumpkins. This is just a cute little extra to your house. I also am showing you a couple other ways I used it here. You can put a book on there. It's pretty sturdy and it can hold a lot of weight. On the bottom, there is this plastic lip that keeps it in position so it doesn't really move around on the table. That's really important for a Lazy Susan. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.